Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade volatility 75 index on the smaller time frames. We are also going to look at how we can trade step index on the smaller time frames. Okay, but I'll be looking at the higher time frames first. I'm talking about the volatility 75 index on the daily time frame. Okay, what I can see on the daily time frame is a bearish structure around here that got broken. We have a break. We have this particular break of the trend line, of the descending trend line around here, and this particular candlestick is showing like a retest, and then we might start to see upside push of price to the top side. We might end up seeing something like price moving to the 378-321 level. But for now, price is bearish for now. But we cannot rule out the fact that price might retrace up to a particular Fibonacci level. Let's look at we have price has moved past the 23.6% Fibonacci level, so price might likely get to the 38.2% Fibonacci level. The 38.2% Fibonacci level is at the 370,617 area. Okay, so we might expect that to be our target, our next target for price. All right, so that's that for the daily time frame. Let's look at what we have on the 4-hour time frame for volatility 75 index. Okay, for 4-hour time frame, we can see the progression where price starts to establish higher lows. Okay, this is a low, and this particular low is higher than this low. This particular low point is also higher than the previous lows. And what we can see now is price had this push to the top side. We have this retracement. With the look of this candlestick shadows, I can say that price is trying to swing to the top side. So we have some like higher low. We may have something like a higher low. This low is obviously higher than this low. So that's typical of a bullish structure. So we have this ascending trend line, okay, and then this particular point where we have the confluence of the descending and the ascending trend line might be a support, might serve as a support to price in case price drops. But for now, price is going up for now. On the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? We have like a range, a triple bottom. We have price moving in the triple bottom at this particular point, or let's call it inverted head and shoulder. Okay, where this is the left shoulder. This is the head, though inverted, and this is the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder. So we have the neckline to be around here. This should be our neckline. And if the neckline breaks, we might see a retest of that particular point. We might see a retest of this point, and then we might see price pushing up to this other block where we have this particular resistance. I see price pushing up to this particular other block on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so that's that for the 1-hour time frame. Let's look at what we have on the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see that the inverted head and shoulder pattern is more obvious, and price is trying to form a higher low. Of course, if we have a higher low, then we might have a higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high. Okay, so that price might progress in that direction. Now let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. What we have on the 15 minutes time frame, the inverted head and shoulder pattern is more elaborate. What we are waiting for right now is for price to approach the 357,151 level. Okay, as soon as price gets there, I'm talking about this particular point. Price gets to this particular point on the chart. I expect price to get to this particular point on the chart. This point, I'm talking about this point, and I expect price to go above it. I'll be happy to see price retrace a bit before going up. So that's that for the 15 minutes time frame. We have a bullish outlook for volatility 75 index. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see the sellers or the BAs push price downward. The buyers took it up and pushed it higher. This high higher than this high. Then when they have the BAs pushing it to this point where the buyer stepped in to give us a higher low. This particular low is higher than this low. All right, and we can see break of structure first for this particular structure got broken. This particular structure, I'm talking about the structure, got broken at this very point. Okay, though we had a retracement afterwards. Now we have this structure, another structure in place, and this very structure that we're talking about right here. Talking about this particular point. Okay, it got broken around here. Okay, for us to have a higher high at the same time have another structure. So I'll be expecting price to retrace a bit and then go up to break this very structure. So that is bullish on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, we can see price, giving us head and shoulder pattern. On the 1 minute time frame, this is the head. Okay, and that's the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, and we have the neckline got broken somewhere around here. Let me remove this particular shape. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so we have the neckline got broken. You can see price descending. Right now, we might be seeing another head and inverted head and shoulder around here for price start to go up. You might see another inverted head and shoulder at this point for price to continue its way up. But I expect this particular point to be my support. I expect a swing low at this point. We have a swinger here, so I'm expecting a swing low around here. So overall, I'm big bullish on Volatility 75 index for now until the price takes another turn. Let's take a look at step index on the daily time frame. What we have for step index on the daily time frame, we can see there's a low point on the chart on the daily time frame. This low point, and we have another low point, but this particular point is higher than this point. So, and we are now having another swing low or a low point, which is this point is higher than this particular point. So what we're seeing is more like a bullish structure. Drawing the trend line, the trend line to be somewhere around here. Another trend line could be plotted to this particular level on the screen. So this is like an ascending trend line. Ascending trend line tells you about the bullish price movement. Okay, so we have a structure here that was initially broken. This particular structure was broken. Talking about the structure broken around here. Now for price to print another structure, which is around here, I expect that structure to be broken. But before it gets to that structure, I expect price to get to the 8832 level before getting to the top structure. That's for the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see price moving upward. Okay, price is ascending and momentum is high. Okay, the drawdown or the pullback is not really much. The buyers kept stepping in. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. We can see price printing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, which is typical of a bullish structure. So we have a bullish structure in place for step index on the 1-hour time frame. So we currently have this particular bullish engulfing candlestick pattern that tells us that price is going to push further to the upside. So you might look for buying opportunities on the 30 minutes time frame. We can see more like a bullish flag pattern broken. Okay, you can see the flag broken around here, and you can see price trying to push to the top. All right, so on the 30 minutes time frame, the pattern, the trend is still bullish, so look for buying opportunities. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the bullish flag, the bull flag pattern broken out, and price is approaching the top side, so it's overall bullish on the 15 minutes time frame. I still have another bullish price forecast for the 5 minutes time frame as price continues to push up. Same thing with the one minute time frame, but on the 1 minute time frame we are in a range for step index, and I'll be expecting a range breakout for step index on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is the range top, this is my range top, and this is the range bottom. This is the range bottom, so I'll be expecting the breakout to the top side on the 1 minute time frame. So that's that for step index. Okay, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. You can smash the like button if you like the video. Drop comments below the video, ask questions. We try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can smash the bell button below the video for notification. Alright, you can go to my website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade. You can also go to fxfables.com to learn more on how to trade. So like, come your way tomorrow on how to trade volatility index. See you in the next video.